Hello, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the rest of the making process of this Durga Ma idol. I have already shared the first tutorial in my channel. You will find the link in description box. So this is dry now. I am using this plastic bottle as the lower part and this stone to make the bottle heavy. You can use direct glass bottle as glass bottle is make naturally heavy. Use this aluminum foil and masking tape as the filler. Now roll some newspaper like this to make the design of the dress of Durga Ma. So this is the another part of shari. I am using my homemade air dry clay. I have already shared the clay recipe in my channel. You will find the link in description box. Give some white coat to the newspaper and then apply the main color. This is some clay. I have already colored it black. Now I am going to make the hairs. If you have any feedback and suggestion regarding my videos, you can easily tell me in comment section. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload my new videos. This I am using some more aluminum foil to make the head of Mahishasur. Cover it with masking tape. And then apply the clay over it. and the head is ready. This is some accessories I am going to give Durga Ma. Let's make the features of this face. This is the most important part of this video. If you think I am going too fast, you can set the playback speed in the video settings. And the beautiful face is ready. This is some design I am going to make in this sari. You can always customize the design and the color as your own way. I have made this large paper roll to make the base of this idol. You just have to roll the paper. Now use some texture paste over it. I have made this one by adding the plaster of Paris and glue in same quantity. You can use the ready-made one. And let it for drying. After drying, apply the color over it. This is some more accessories I am going to give Durga Ma, and this is the simple crown I have made. I am making the Trishuls, the main weapons of Devi Durga. Make the other 8 weapons following the same procedure. You can use Google to see the name and pictures of the other weapons. Here I have made all of this. Now color them with metallic golden. So that's how this beautiful proper idol of Durga Ma is ready. I have already done the color of Mahishasur following the same procedure. Now you just have to put them like this. I have also made clay mural wall decor on Durga Ma and one bottle art. You will find the tutorials in my channel or in description box. If you like this idea of making process of beautiful Durga Ma, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. You can also give feedback on this video in comment section. Thanks for watching.